Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. You know what day it is. It's Tea Tuesday. Can't wait to join in with Life with Patty. She's an awesome channel. If you haven't been over to her channel, get over there and see what you're missing. She has great content and has so much fun and interesting things to share. There's something for everyone. Now, let's go see what Grandma did with hers.
This is my homemade banana blueberry almond bread. It has real blueberries and putting the slivered almonds on top. The oven toasts them and they taste delicious.
Yum, yum. I can't wait to eat it. And we drank English breakfast tea today from Trader Joe's. Hi, everybody. It's tea time with me and Debbie at the pool.
Hi.
And today, Debbie made some blueberry, what do you call it now?
Blueberry banana nut bread.
Doesn't that sound yummy, guys? I'll give you a close-up at the beginning of the video when this is actually playing. You know how Grandma is. She does the video and then puts things in. I'm putting the napkin back over to protect it from flies. And we had English breakfast tea, our tea for today. And it's really good. There's no sugar in there either, is there?
Mm-mm.
And surprisingly, it tastes really good also.
And where is that from?
I think this is from Trader Joe's. I think it does. Trader Joe's. You know, Trader Joe's is one of my favorite places.
I was gonna say that's my favorite store.
And everyone thinks that Trader Joe's is expensive. It really isn't. They don't have a huge selection of stuff, but whatever they have is good quality, and it's always good. And it's not any more expensive than going to Stater Brothers. Do you think?
Mm-mm.
I don't think.
No, and they have some pretty unique things that I can't find other places. So, oh my gosh, these bugs.
We're being killed off by the bugs.
It's so humid. I'm roasting here, and then we've got some gnats, so that's not helping the situation.
We'll see how many we can do by the pool today. We may have to move inside for these Tea Tuesday today because it is really, really bad out here. And anyway, what do you want to talk about today, Debbie?
So this week was the Mackenzie Childs barn sale. Yay!
I always love that.
Like I need more Mackenzie Childs stuff.
I'm sure our husband's there thinking of divorce court pretty soon.
Yeah, every time he sees the UPS guy, he's like, oh my gosh, another one. Well, we're new at collecting, so...
Well, we will slow down after this year. We're going to have to.
Yes, definitely, because I'm running out of space. But on the barn sale, it started on Wednesday, and it was up to 70% off, and every day they had something new.
Yeah.
So what I did find, I was a little disappointed, is that I had signed up, the text messages, I was already on email, but they said, oh, we'll text you when the sale starts. Well, I didn't get a text, and I happened to go online to see, and it had already started. But the thing is, if you're on the East Coast, I feel like you get a little bit better. I think when you're on the East Coast, you get more opportunity because it's earlier. Yeah. So anyways, I found a couple of things online and I really liked them, and I put them in my cart, and when it was time to check out, they were gone. So I guess you have to start early and don't leave stuff in your cart for too long. Maybe check out and then go back and start shopping again. I don't know, but 2 days in a row that happened to me. I was like, oh my gosh.
And the bad thing is, it doesn't really matter. You might as well just do it because you can't get any free shipping even if you have a big order, right?
Right, and that was the other downside, is no free shipping during the barn sale. Orders up to $100 was a $10 flat fee shipping, and then after that was 10%. So, some things were really good, there was other things that I had already seen previously that I was like, and now that it's no free shipping, it wasn't, a good deal. But there was a lot of stuff. It was hard to control myself. So.
And you only bought the 4 items that I asked for, wasn't it, for me? Or am I going to have more I have to pay for?
No, I think I got 2 extra things. But if you don't want them, I'll keep them.
Well, we'll see how much I owe. Yeah, I have to keep giving her limits because she goes a little crazy. And Grandma doesn't make as much money.
Well, I shouldn't be spending that much either, so. But it was really good sale. Today's the last day. I checked this morning. There was a couple things that I liked, but I was like, do I need them? Probably not. So.
Well, that's why I had to bring myself to. I really, really wanted those plates, and I said I've just got to stop because I've just bought so much. And there is limits to how much Grandma can spend in any given month. And we're really going to start slowing down because we have quite a bit. I want to try to keep 4 or 5 items to show you every month, and I think she tells me I have enough to keep doing that.
Yeah, I've been purchasing and then putting it aside and not giving it to her until she said, okay, we're going to do another, Mackenzie Childs, what do you call it?
We're going to do a shopping haul.
Shopping haul. So we probably have about 4 months worth of stuff that we could still show that. And she doesn't know a lot about, she doesn't know about a lot of the things. So it's going to be a surprise to her as well.
Isn't it nice to have surprises where your money's going and you don't even know? And you're going to be really happy to see what we are going to share this week with you. We're starting our Halloween posts and stuff, so you'll be seeing a lot of. There'll be some other things besides Halloween, but the main focus of the next 3 months is going to be Halloween. And I do have a lot of Halloween stuff, and my daughter has a lot of Halloween stuff. So it won't all be Mackenzie Childs, but it will be a lot of something, right?
Yeah. I'm really excited for Christmas, though, you guys. We are going to probably have to start in November and do a couple. I have a lot of Christmas.
I think, personally, we could even start in October, back towards the middle or the end of October, on doing Christmas, because I have a lot of Christmas, and this one over here has even more.
I have a basement full of stuff.
Yeah, I had someone commenting about all your Halloween stuff. I said, you don't even know what we have for Halloween. What we shared was nothing. Nothing. Because I'm bad and she's worse. So I'm sure our husbands both cringe when they see us shopping.
It's fun. It's really fun.
We're both shoppers. She's a power shopper, though. The only good thing my husband has is I don't know how to shop online. But she does. So her husband has no freedom from fear.
And like I said, I do a lot of shopping online, so a lot of my stuff comes from the UPS guy. So, we're becoming really good friends. I remember this one, my very first Mackenzie Child shop, when I think it was our first
big shopping haul?
It was a big sale that they had. I think it was a 40% off. I don't know, it was a really big one, and it went crazy. And this day we were sitting at the kitchen table having lunch, and the UPS guy drives up, and we had already been getting stuff for the Alice in Wonderland, so he'd been expecting, he'd been seeing boxes, but this day the guy he pulled out a dolly, and I was like thinking to myself, oh, this is not good. And I'm trying to remain calm at the table, and box after box he's loading on the dolly, and I could just see my husband like, what the heck? So I don't remember what the comment was, but I'm sure it wasn't, he wasn't thrilled. And anyways, we met the guy at the porch, and he starts taking the boxes off the dolly, and I said, is that all for here, or is it some for my neighbor? And he goes, nope, it's all yours. And my husband looked at me and he was just shaking his head. So we had so much. It was like an assembly line. The UPS guy was taking it off his dolly, handing it to my husband. My husband was handing it to me, and then I was taking it in the house. Well, by the end of that, I was like, oh, lunchtime's over. Gotta go back to work. Oh, yeah, it was not a good day.
And then Mother came over, the whole living room was full of boxes.
Yeah, well, no, I sent you a picture and I said, look at my living room is now a storage shed. Because there was boxes everywhere. I was like, oh, I can't do that again. So,
And then now we have the 70% off sale. How did you do on that one?
I think I did pretty good. Only because, you know, I've purchased quite a bit of stuff over the last several months. So anyways, yeah.
Well, we gave you our exciting shopping online thing, and my makeup is running from all the laughter and the tears from it. Luckily, it's all coming to her house, where my husband doesn't see it all at once.
Yeah, I just disperse it to her little at a time, so my dad doesn't find out.
Well, we're going to say bye for now, and we'll give you the next installment at our next shopping haul. Bye, everyone. I'm glad you stopped by for Tea Tuesday at me and the daughter's house. Well, my daughter's house by the pool. Is that not a beautiful pool to be sitting by? Take care, guys.
We're going to have our tea and bread now. Bye-bye.